Hi, Dr. Q here from Star Nursery. After the cold winter temperatures, many of us are faced with the problem of having brown, frost-damaged plant material in our landscapes. Unfortunately, even after a light freeze, some of our most commonly used plants can look like they are dead. Colorful, warm weather plants like lantana, yellow bells, and desert birds of paradise may now look like they have been killed by the cold weather. However, even though these look like they may not survive, many of these will recover as soon as the weather warms up. Many plants may have crispy brown leaves and stems, but will begin to regrow from the roots or lower stem tissue. For fast recovering plants like lantanas, they can be cut back now to just a few inches, and they will start resprouting very soon with the warming weather. By the beginning of March, many plants will show good recovery. However, some desert-type plants may take longer, needing warmer temperatures. By scratching the bark on brown stems, you can determine if they're still alive. Living tissue under the bark will be green and moist. Then you can cut back any frost-damaged growth to where you find green in the stems. Any palm trees that have suffered severe frost damage should not be pruned until at least 5 strong new leaves are visible. Evergreen trees damaged by a freeze can be pruned beginning in March, and pruning should consist mainly of removing dried, twiggy growth, thinning, and shaping. Most fescue lawns are made dormant by extremely cold weather. Those that have not recovered by mid-March should be thoroughly raked to remove dead thatch and then fed with a good lawn fertilizer like our Dr. Q's Royal Flush. Shrubs and trees damaged by freezing should have the damaged leaves trimmed off back to the green leaves or stems. Plants that have had foliar damage or root damage have a compromised ability to handle heavy soil moisture or strong fertilizer. Use a mild starter fertilizer like Dr. Q's Gold Dust to help push out new growth on frost-damaged plants, and water only when the soil is dry. For more information on this topic, see our Star Note number 110 at starnursery.com or on our free app. And don't forget, we make house calls. Visit your local Star Nursery location or call 702-771-7827 to make an appointment. And from everybody here at Star Nursery, we wish you a very safe and happy holiday season. I'm Dr. Q, and I'll see you next week.